Look at that melted chocolate center. Soft chocolate cake on the outside, warm lava in the middle, and ready in just about a minute. No eggs, no dairy. Full recipe and extra tips are in the description below. For best results, microwave for 50 seconds in one go. Don't stop and restart halfway. And there it is, a soft cake, melted chocolate in the middle, and ready in minutes. This little vegan mug cake is perfect when you want something warm and chocolatey. No oven, just one mug and a few simple ingredients.